Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, guys, from an absolutely rancid Edinburgh airport. It is lashing to catch our flight to Geneva. First time, new country for both of us as well. Join us as we travel in this rank weather to Switzerland. Right, we've arrived, we've landed. We're just going to sort the bus out into the city now. Everywhere he looks, watch adverts, look. Right, we're down. We're getting this train here. Look at the size of it. This is just the train into the city centre. So we've just sat on the train. There isn't a single other person on this section, but I think we might be in first class. Like, we're just going to sit down and play tourist mode. Beautiful train. Air conditioning is so nice. Lush. We took off this morning and the rain was catastrophic, but then we've landed here and it's like 25 degrees already and it's 11:30. It's going up to 30 odd degrees today, and then tomorrow we've got a lovely day planned. Pulling up at the train station now, time to get out. Go and check in the hotel, throw our bags and go and explore. We have arrived into the city of the train station. It is hot, man. Check this out. Look at this city centre. Look at the train station. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, crosses. Right, we've just checked into our hotel, just at Ibis in Geneva. It's pretty central to everything. I'll show you around the room quick, then we'll get straight out. So ignore the bag, we've literally just got here, set the laptop up, view out the window. Don't think there's much to see out there, to be honest. Right, we're just going to head off now into town. We've just stopped for some authentic Swiss food in this restaurant, McDonald's. Try it out. Honestly, it is so hot. I'm burning myself on this table, but it's beautiful sitting out in the sun. Just looking at the watches, look at how much cheaper they are than actually back in the UK. I mean, they're still not cheap. It's not like they're giving them away. It's not like they're a pasty. We've just got down to Lake Geneva now, and oh my God, look at how clear this water is. Look at this. Look, you can see the bottom. Look at that. Wow. Look at this little thing. Beautiful. We're just walking back up to the hotel now to get the travel card, because we forgot to ask for it. You get free travel when you're in Geneva. So we're going to go up and get those travel cards, nip back out and explore a little further. I feel like the area we're staying is like Don't Mess With Zohan. Like Scrappy Coco is around here, cutting hair. Right, we're just back out exploring now. The temperature's like over 30 degrees. It is so warm. Absolutely lovely. Right, we're going to go and look in the co-op now and see if we can get some cheap sun cream, because it is so hot. And obviously we can only fly with hand luggage, so it's no good getting a big one. We can't take it back with us. Look, you just know you're on a money street. Rolex there, Davidoff of Geneva cigar shop there. Just look at this. And I've just been in Primark. I had H&M looking for Primark. I don't think they have one. We're just coming up to the cathedral now. Check these mosaics. There's this little one here first, and then look at these. Wow.
We need to go.
Neptune or Wim Hof, one of the two. And there's this guy. And this guy. Wow. Right, we've just come out to this little courtyard. This is where we're just sitting down here. And then we're going to go and have a little look in the cathedral now. Look at this. Beautiful. So this is St. Pierre's Cathedral we're heading into now. It's free entry and it closes at 7. And it closes at 6:30. Look at this. St. Pierre's Cathedral. There you go, a little bit of information. No burgers, no drinks, no light bulbs. Look at the sun shining through the glass. That's awesome. Wow. Look at the work in the stone. Look at that. And then there's this. Just from IKEA, it's the Pierre range. It's all flat pack. Look at that. That is incredible. Look. Wow. Impressive. We're just leaving now, and this is a little chapel off the side. Look at this. Wow. There's some information if you want to pause and read about when it was built. There's also something down here. Go and have a quick look. This is underneath. Wow. This is the foundations. I'm going to take a little tour. I'm not going to do it though. Going down these stairs now. Look at that, Church of Geneva. Beautiful around here. I think we're going to get one of these little gelatomanias now. So Pam got the chocolate, I got the stracciatella, which is like Europe's #1 ice cream. That's the chocolate there, look at it. Oh, how is it, Pam?
Have a taste.
Look at this little guy. He's coming for an ice cream. Oh, look at him.
And I can say hi.
Look at this. Little square. Wow. Must be a dog park down here. Look at that view, man. Ooh. Look at this little park right on the water's edge. Wow. That's beautiful, look at that. That's absolutely stunning, that fountain they've got. But look at down here. I'm secured a nice little spot on the bench.
Oh, that's a mention.
Right, we're just having a little walk along here now to see this. Le Jet. Look at the little pool they've got here. That's awesome. Such a lovely vibe here. And the weather really helps. Look at this. That spray is going to feel so good when it hits us. gonna walk under this bit where you get a little water bit. Oh, that is everything.
Look at the rainbow.
Look at that. Just think, what do you want on your little pizza? Classic. I think that's classic with more tomato sauce or extra dick. What are you having? You decide. We've just come inside this Mexican's for some tea. Look at it. It's so cool. But we're just going to sit outside. Right, so we've just come into Tangaria and we've just placed our order now and wait for it to come out. Beautiful little setup in here though. Really nice. We've got a Modelo, Pam's got a margarita. Let's try these. Right, so we've finished our Mexicans. We're going to walk up here and get the water taxi over because it's free on the transport. So let's go and ride that now. We're still just walking up the promenade now. Look at the sights. Look at these guys just having a little dance. How nice is this? Look at that building over there. That's beautiful. Absolutely stunning little walk along here. Sun's just about to dip behind the mountain there. And that's it. Plane's taken off. Lovely fountain there. Look at the sheer amount of masts all the way along. That is crazy. I'm not exaggerating, there must be 4 million boats there. Right, and this should be the boat taxi we can get on. Right, we've made it on. We're just pulling away now. This is free. This is free. It's pretty busy though. These are all the boats. That's it, finished it. Free. Can't believe it. Now we're just off. And also, see the snow-covered mountains back there? Amazing. Now we're just at the bottom of the street, our hotel's on. I think we're going to go back, drop these supplies off. I need to charge stuff for a little because everything's dying. Right, we're just back at the hotel now, showered up and ready for bed. It's 10 o'clock local time, which is at 9 UK time, but we've had such a long day. Like we got up at 4. At the airport for 5 and then just explored all day, so just going to get into bed now, chill out, dump all the footage from today, get it ready, and then an EC tomorrow morning. So we've got a bus first thing in the morning. We'll go up there, but I'll film on the GoPro tomorrow, so I'll bring you along for the ride. Thanks so much for watching part 1 today, the Geneva Convention, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. That has not gone well. Look, I am so dirty, but I'm not going to be last.